Good morning, students. Till now, we have seen two stanzas of the poem from a railway carriage. Okay. Now, in this video, we will see the remaining poem. Okay. So, let's start with the third stanza. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Okay, so in this stanza, the poet is telling his more experience. Okay, what he saw when he was traveling by the train. He saw that here is a child who clambers and scrambles. Okay, so what do you mean by clambers and scrambles? Means to climb up, across, or into somewhere with difficulty using the hands and the feet. Okay, so both have somewhat same meaning. Okay, scramble also means to move or climb quickly but with difficulty, often using your hands to help you. So, whenever you want to climb up, okay, then you use your hands and feet. Okay, with the help of that, you climb, and you do that for a special purpose or for something. If you want something which is at the greater height, then you climb or you scramble. Okay, all by himself and gathering brambles. Okay, so here new word is brambles. Okay, bramble means a wild bush with thorns that produces blackberries. Okay, so what that child wants? That child wants blackberries. Okay, which were produced on the tree, and he want that. That's why he was trying. He was climbing over. Okay, climbing up to get that brambles. Okay, to get that blackberries. Okay, so the poets saw that from the window of the railway carriage. Okay, here is a tramp who stands and gazes. Here is a tramp. Okay, so the new word is tramp. Tramp means a person with no home, job, or money who travels around and asks for money from other people. Okay, so you may have also seen various beggars, what we call it as them as beggar. Okay, that travel through a train or they were present at the stations. Okay, who beg for money. Okay, they need money for their living, so but they don't do any work or they don't have any job. That's why they are begging money. Okay, they ask for money from other people. They are called tramp. Who stands and gazes. Okay, to gaze means to see. Okay, so they stand at the station or some locations and they gaze means they look. Okay, they look continuously to you. Okay, so the poet have also seen such people, okay, who stand and look at you and ask you for the money. Okay, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Okay, daisy means a small flower with white petals and a yellow center, which often grows in grass. And string means thread. Okay, so he saw that some women were taking that flowers. Okay, that threads that flower. Okay, on the green area. Okay, or on the green grass. So in this stanza, what the poet have seen? The poet have seen a child who was climbing up, okay, to get the brambles, to get the blackberries. And also he saw a man, okay. A tramp means a man who is begging for money, who is asking for money. Okay, he was standing and looking towards the people. And also he saw the daisies, flowers with white petals and yellow center. Okay, now we will see the fourth stanza. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And there is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. So in this line the poet is concluding what he have seen. Okay, so what he have seen? Here is a cart run away in the road. Okay, so cart means uh, a vehicle, okay, an open vehicle with two or four wheels. Okay, mostly cart is driven by horse or buffaloes. Okay, so the poet saw that cart, okay, that vehicle, okay, run away in the road, means he saw that on the road, means he was running on the road, lumping along with man and load. Lumping means moving with jerks with a heavy load. Okay, means that vehicle is carrying a load, okay, and a man also, okay, means who is driver. Okay, so all this load is on that animal. Okay, it was not mentioned, but it may be a horse or buffaloes. Okay, so uh, what the poet saw? He saw a cart, okay, a vehicle which is full of goods, okay, and also the man. So the animal was facing problem because he was loaded, it was loaded with the man also and the load. And here is a mill and there is a river, and when the train passes that road, then after that he saw a mill at one side and the river on the other side. Okay, so he saw the people were working in the mill and the people were also present on the side of the river. Okay, so what he have seen? The poet have seen a cart, okay, a vehicle which is full of a load and a man, and the animal who was driving, okay, that cart was very pain, in a very pain, okay, because she have to carry both the load and the man. And and he saw a mill and also a river, okay, each a glimpse and gone forever. Okay, so glimpse means something that you see for a very short time. So while traveling by the train, the poet saw all these scenes, all these sights, but he saw all this for a very short time. Okay, he saw all these things for a very short time, and gone forever means they have gone forever. He will not see that things again. So we will see what he have seen till now. Okay, in his journey he have seen, he have experienced that the train is faster than fairies and witches with the big wings. Okay, he also seen bridges, different types of houses, small trees which have planted very close to each other, and ditches, open channels on the sides of the road. Also, he have experienced that or imagined as trained like the troops of soldiers, okay, who uh, move in the battle in the one direction, okay, and while running or rushing they produce noise and smoke. In the same way, train also produces noise and smoke. Also, he have seen meadows, means uh, open place where grass is grown for grazing purpose, and various and horses and sheep, goats and cows were grazing at that meadows. Also, he have seen various sides, okay, sides of hill and a plain surface where only trees are present. And also, he have imagined as the scenes that he have seen are like a raindrops, okay, means they have come very fastly but they will not last forever, okay, they will not come back. And all these things he have seen in the wink of an eye, okay, he has seen all that scenes very quickly, and he will never see that scenes that sides again. And also he have seen painted stations, okay, and whenever train arrives at some station and leaves some station, then it will whistle, okay, the guard also whistles and the train also makes some noise that is called as whistle. Also afterwards he saw a child, okay, who climbs up for gathering blackberries, okay, and he have also seen a man who is very poor, okay, who don't have any job and who beg for money for food, okay, and he looks at the people that they will give him some money. And also he have seen some flowers, okay, daisy flowers. Also he have seen a cart, means a vehicle who is carried by an animal, okay, and it is loaded with a man and a man and goods, okay, so that animal was carrying the man also and load also. And also he saw a mill and a river, so he saw all these things, okay, for a very short time, and that things will never come back in his life. He will never see that things again in his life, okay. So this poem is all about that, okay. Thank you.